Do you know that the job market in the next 5 years is going to undergo drastic changes? According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, over 92 million jobs will disappear. But at the same time, high-demand remote roles are on the rise, creating exciting opportunities for those ready to pivot. If you're wondering what this means for you and how you can take advantage of these shifts, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into 8 high-demand remote jobs that don't require prior experience, and I'll also share how much you can earn from each of these roles. By the end, you'll have a roadmap for entering the future of work, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's jump in. 1. Virtual Assistant VA. One of the most in-demand remote jobs that require minimal experience is becoming a virtual assistant VA. As businesses and entrepreneurs continue to grow, they need extra hands to handle administrative tasks like scheduling meetings, responding to emails, and managing calendars. The best part, you don't need years of office experience to get started. With just a little organization and communication skills, you can help busy professionals while building a steady income. In the beginning, most virtual assistants can earn around $15 to $30 per hour. As you gain experience and specialize in specific areas like social media management or bookkeeping, you could easily increase your rates, with some VAs earning up to $50 plus per hour. It's a role that offers flexibility, great potential for growth, and the ability to work with clients from all over the world. 2. Social Media Manager. Are you always on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook? If so, why not turn that interest into a paid gig? Social media managers are in high demand as businesses look to engage with their customers on social platforms. This role involves creating content, managing posts, interacting with followers, and analyzing metrics. It's a creative job that also allows you to be strategic and tech-savvy. Even if you've never managed a brand social account, you can start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of each platform. Many small businesses and startups are eager to hire people who can manage their social presence effectively. You can expect to earn around $40,000 per year as a beginner, and with more experience and specialization, you can make upwards of $60,000 to $80,000 per year. It's a role that combines creativity with analytics, and as businesses grow, so does your earning potential. 3. Online Tutor. Do you have a passion for teaching? As an online tutor, you can teach everything from language lessons to math, science, and test prep. There's a growing need for online tutors, especially in specialized subjects. Whether you're teaching English to non-native speakers or helping students with SAT prep, there's a large market for this role. Online tutoring platforms like VIPKid and Chegg offer easy entry points, and all you need is a solid understanding of the subject you're teaching. For beginners, online tutors generally earn around $20 to $30 per hour, depending on the subject and platform. If you specialize in high-demand subjects like SAT prep or language tutoring, you could earn even more, with some tutors making $50 to $75 per hour. It's a job that allows you to help others while enjoying the flexibility to set your own schedule. 4. Customer Support Representative. Customer support is a vital part of any business, and many companies offer remote customer service positions. As a customer support representative, your tasks might include answering customer inquiries, troubleshooting issues, and providing product support. The great thing about this job is that you don't need prior experience. All you need is good communication skills, patience, and the ability to learn the company's product or service. Remote customer service representatives typically earn $15 to $20 per hour starting out. If you specialize in technical support or higher-level customer service, you can make $30 per hour or more. This job often comes with benefits like flexible hours and opportunities for advancement as you gain experience and build relationships with clients. 5. Freelance Writer. Do you enjoy writing? Freelance writing is a fantastic remote job for those with a way with words. Whether it's writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or even website copy, there's always a need for good writers. The beauty of this job is that you can specialize in a particular niche, such as finance, travel, tech, or health, and tailor your services accordingly. Many companies and individuals look for writers to help with content creation, making this a great job for remote work. Plus, it allows you to work on your own terms and build a portfolio that showcases your talents. If you're just getting started, you can earn about 10 to 50 cents per word, which adds up to around $15 to $30 per article. As you build your portfolio and gain more experience, you can increase your rates, with experienced writers making $1 to $2 per word, meaning you could earn $50 to $100 per article or more. Freelance writing is a perfect fit for anyone who enjoys the flexibility of working from home and getting paid for their creative skills. 6. Data Entry Clerk. For those who prefer more straightforward, repetitive tasks, data entry might be the perfect remote job for you. As a data entry clerk, you'll be entering information into systems, whether it's customer data, inventory, or financial records. It's a great job for beginners because it doesn't require specialized knowledge. As long as you're detail-oriented and can type quickly, you can excel in this role. You'll also gain experience working with databases, spreadsheets, and other tools that will serve you well in other roles down the line. Entry-level data entry clerks usually earn around $12 to $20 per hour, depending on the complexity of the work. With experience and the ability to handle larger datasets or specialized tasks, you can earn $25 to $30 per hour. It's an entry-level job that allows you to work at your own pace and from anywhere with an internet connection. 7. Transcriptionist. If you're a fast typist and have excellent listening skills, transcription could be a great remote job for you. In this role, you'll be converting audio recordings into written documents. Some transcription jobs require specialized knowledge, such as legal or medical transcription, but there are also general transcription jobs that don't require previous experience. With the rise of remote work, transcription has become an increasingly popular job for individuals looking to work from home. You'll also learn a lot about the subject matter of the recordings, whether it's business, healthcare, or legal topics, making it a great job for someone looking to expand their knowledge. You can start earning about $15 to $25 per hour for general transcription work, and for more specialized work, such as legal or medical transcription, you could earn $40 to $75 per hour. It's a flexible job with plenty of opportunities to increase your earnings as you gain more experience and specialize in certain types of transcription. 8. Social media content creator. If you love creating content for social media, whether it's videos, photos, or written posts, becoming a social media content creator can be a lucrative remote career. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook are all looking for engaging content, and businesses are eager to collaborate with content creators to boost their brand presence. You don't need experience, just a passion for creating content that resonates with your audience. You'll also have the flexibility to work on projects that excite you, whether it's entertainment, lifestyle, education, or other niches. You can start earning through ad revenue, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. While it might take time to grow your audience, once you have a dedicated following, content creators can make anywhere from $100 to $500 per sponsored post. Successful creators can make $1,000 to $10,000 per month or even more, depending on the platform, niche, and engagement. And that's a wrap. These 8 high-demand remote jobs can help you enter the future of work, regardless of your experience. Whether you're looking for flexibility, a steady income, or the chance to build a meaningful career from home, these roles are an excellent place to start. The best part, many of them allow you to grow your skill set and increase your earnings as you gain experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more career tips, remote job opportunities, and career development advice. Drop a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have about these roles, and I'll see you in the next video.